Hey everyone, I'm Rob with RNR Carpentry, and we're here on this beautiful day at this residential fence project in Hamilton. And we're with our friends at Fence Armor installing these post guards. What was existing 4x4 posts that were getting chewed up by weed whackers, so we upgraded to a 5x5 fence. And then with the post guards on the bottom to prevent any further damage from the weed whackers. We're installing these post guards from Fence Armor, so they get installed at the bottom of the post here, and that's to protect from the weed whacker damage. That was the whole reason we were on this job replacing this fence, because the weed whackers had torn up the bottom of the 4x4 post so bad that they were hourglass shape and ready to snap. So moving forward on all our fence projects, we're going to be using these fence guards that are installed really easy, just with a couple screws at the center line of the grass to protect from the string trimmers so that the base of the post is not damaged. We chose 5x5 because it's a more sturdy post and a little more economical to the 6x6. It's a good middle ground, and we were able to bring some more value to the project by adding the post guards to protect those posts long term. If you'd like to do the same, you can reach out at 905-818-9812 or visit us on the web at www.rnrcarpentry.com. And our Instagram is at RNR Carpentry.